Okay, so I just checked the weather. It's 56 degrees right now, and it feels like a freaking blizzard. Huh. It makes it hard working out here in this car business, moving around this lot with this daggone freaking cold air just whipping around. All right, so I sold this beautiful 2022 Ram Limited Longhorn truck yesterday, $40,000. But the running board is not working properly, so now I'm taking it to the back, so that the mechanics can actually take a look at it. But I feel like I'm coming down with a cold or something. I haven't gotten my flu shot yet this year. But yeah, I feel a little bit under the weather. So I'll come back on in a little while, you guys. I'm gonna leave out of here today at 5 because I was just doing the math. If I work 6 hours a day, 11 hours a week minimum, that's 66 hours in a week. Yeah, no. It's 4 a.m. you guys, and I'm up. I had to actually hey you guys, good morning. It is Wednesday. It is 4 o'clock in the morning, and your girl can't sleep. I actually had to say hi, Draco, and then you need to move. Say hi, Draco. Oh my God, here they all come. Say hi, Splinter. Move your butt. Nobody wants to see your butt. Come on. Oh my God. All right. Oh boy. I told you guys I got 5 cats. So the boys, they come inside at night, and it's pretty cold out there still. It's cold, it's cold, it's cold. Look, with it being cold like this, the sweater is going to be on every day until it heats up again. I don't have a whole lot of winter clothes. So yeah, you're going to see me in the sweater. It's Wednesday morning. I just went to the store to go to the ATM to go put some money in my account at 4 o'clock in the morning. Yes. But I grabbed some scratchers while I was out, so I want to scratch them really quick to see if we can win some money. I need some holiday cash. So I have a new game. So this one's called Double Up. It was a $5 game, and you can win up to 1 million. And of course, I got the $10 $500,000 holiday cash. So let me grab my glasses really quick, and we're gonna scratch, scratch, scratch. All right, you guys, so I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. It's not a stuffy nose, I just have a runny nose. So yeah, I'm not sleeping very good, and yes, I do have to go to work at 9 o'clock and work my 11-hour shift. Yeah. Gotta love this life. But at least I'm still here and I'm breathing, so I can complain about it. So we're not gonna complain. All right, so let's scratch. Let's see. All right. Come on, I need some money. They gave me some free play at the casino for the weekend, so I'm thinking about doing that. I like buying my tickets at Publix, but lately I haven't been winning any money there. But it seems like definitely if I go out into other places and buy tickets, I definitely don't win. So I bought these tickets at Wawa. Golly, not one winning number? Not one. Daggone. They are so not being nice. Oh, this mess. Not one. Yikes. I keep looking to see if something's gonna jump out at me, but no. Alright, so that was a loser ticket. So no money there. So now we're gonna try the double up. Splinter, stop. I might try to lay back down, you guys. When I scratch. Oh, okay. Hold on a minute. Hold on. Okay. So far, I've won $10 on the $5 ticket. I have 39 winning number, so I have it down here. Okay, that'll work. Okay. So I got half my money back because I spent $20. So I've won 10. Okay, it makes me feel a little bit better. It's nasty. Okay. All right, you guys. So $10 for this ticket. And let's scratch this one. Keep reading in the news. People winning millions of dollars every day in the Florida lottery. And I keep playing, and yeah, not so far for Crystal. But you can't win if you don't play. So we're gonna keep playing. Uh-oh. Okay, I got another $10. So this one, I got the symbol, the cash bag. Looks like a cash bag. Alright, so when you get the dollar bag, you win the prize shown instantly. So I got the dollar bag and it's $10. Alright, you guys. Okay, so I got my money back. $20. So I'll cash these in later and I'm going to buy some more tickets. Yeah. Alright. I'm going to go back to bed and get up in a couple hours so I can get ready for work. So I will talk to y'all when I come back on in a little bit. Alright, ciao. Hey, look at you. Why are you tearing up my chair? Excuse you. You gonna pay for that? Do you see this guy? I know I need some new furniture, but I really, Stop it, Splinter. Hey. Hey, you guys, good morning. It's Crystal Renee, so it's Thursday. I know you guys can hear my voice. Yes, I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. Got a sore throat. I got a runny nose. sneezing a lot. Yesterday I was really busy at work. I sold 3 cars. I got them all out, but I was feeling a little bit of shortness of breath and just really tired. But I had to push through, so I worked my whole shift, the 11 hours, and I was too tired to get back on. But I think we're gonna do I'm gonna call it the dark series. So it's gonna just be random thoughts, either before I'm waking up, or before I'm going to bed, because it normally takes me a few minutes before I can actually fall asleep at night, because my mind just be going. So we're gonna call it the dark series. Just random thoughts. Um, I got a busy day ahead today. I got 2 or 3 cars I'm trying to get out today. So I'm going to try to catch some more Z's before I get up and go to work this morning. So I'll come back on later, you guys. All right, ciao.